Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know? Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Yeah, big up, big up. Alright, so I have a few videos that I'm going to present to you. And the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man. In the video, the man explained in his words what it is like being inside of a prison. Now, if you listen to the things that the man said in this video, you might get a understanding as to which prison he talked about. And I hope that each and every one can learn at least one thing from the things that the man said in this video. You see me? Yeah, you can also let me know what you think, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Alright. The fans them ask me to explain how inside, what inside is like. So I'm going to explain what inside a GP is like. Alright, first thing, if you there prison and nobody outside no care pay, you not get no visit, nor them thing there, you get whole heap of disrespect, because man say, a waste man, you do out the road and you not do nothing. Alright.
Listen.
Secondly, the bathroom where you bathe, you know, in there so green and morass there in there, so at all time you can't go in the barefoot, you have to wear a slippers. If you go in the barefoot, your grounds. The toilet where you do the pan, you can't sit down on it like something at your house, you know. You have to always have on a slippers when you go to the toilet, and your slippers stoop down on the toilet. Your foot are filled up on the toilet, but your slippers are touch it. You can't make your foot touch it, or it's a ground, so you can't go locate back in the man. Alright. In a GP, you have big man, and you have boy. You have Boys Town, one place named Boys Town, where if you have fish or you do certain things on out the road from you come in and go over Boys Town. But you can do a prison and become a fish. Like you dead there and be straight and man come in or people will know you from out the road tell man things that you do and you end up go Boys Town. See? Alright, in a prison you don't know you can have your hot plate and your pot, you can cook for yourself. You see me? You can buy things at the tuck shop, same way that at the wall of them tuck shop, you have kitchen where you can go buy food.
Yeah, the things them what the man say. Notice it's a GP, you know.
You can buy food and them things they and cook, you see me? Alright, you have a thing when them water, them can come search and take away things them. You see me? Them can search, see one there. You can come search and take away your phone. You can have phone in a prison and them things they still know, but you have to hide it. You see me? We have phone and make a call and them things, but here me say, water search and find a phone. If you not declare with him, take away all of your things them like your pot, your TV and them things, they take away your light.
Okay.
You see me? Okay. You don't know in a prison again. It's a wicked place, cause watch you know. Man in there have knife, man have jam and them things they protect themselves. So and a man catch up, you have to serious enough to jump out to defend himself. If him plan for war sometime, a man not really plan for war, just look a cussing and things start cover back, you see me?
You know what I say?
You don't know. As I tell you, on one nice place, you have good things in the same way as well. You can recreate yourself, recreation, you have school, you have music class, you have library. You have all the other things in there, but you don't know, me now can explain everything going about. Me can make you know what it is like being there, cause water we lick out the teeth, bust out your head.
Well, my people, you hear the things that when you say? See? Big him up for actually let people on social media know what it is like being inside of a prison. You see me? Yeah, I mean, in my point of view, it's common knowledge that inside of prison and a bed arose. Yes, I say to you, but it come like say some persons, I'm not gonna say people, so I say some persons. Seems as if them not care. You see me? Some persons act and behave in certain ways like them not care if them go prison. You know, oh, me a done, me a bad man, and me will do this to you, and me do that to you, and all them things they not put in away in a life, you know. Crime not pay. That's what I say, crime don't pay. So, me respect the man for explain them things there. Big him up. I would like to know what you, my viewers and subscribers, think about the things that he said, you see? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, so I just presented to you a video that shows a man explaining what it is like inside of a prison. Alright? Now the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show how a man stole money from a business place. I do not know exactly where the video will be recorded, and if you look at the video shows a date. Allegedly, the video is said to be a surveillance footage. Now, viewers and subscribers, one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Yes, this video is circulating on social media. I would like you to tell me what you think about this video as well. And this video is not really a long video, alright? Anyway, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look. Observe with me. Okay. Next string. As I say, it's not really a long video, viewers and subscribers, you see me? Really and true, you know. So this video, I get a little buzz on social media, you know, like the video I circulated different places on social media. And that look away, you know, that look away. You see me? I say, that look away. I'm not even gonna talk about the surveillance camera part of it and this whole thing. Yo, may I tell other people, see? Anyways, one of them videos that were circulated on social media which shows some things that are just wrong. You understand? Yeah, that place they look like one of them supreme venture place, you know, we sell cashpot and all them things, the viewers and subscribers. And I real too, it look like whoever supposed to where you want to call it, cash register, whoever supposed to watch the place. Also look like that person never there at that part of the place at the time when the person take what him take. So may I say, alright, but I just one of them thing there, young people. So you can tell me what you think about that video. Alright, so the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a female talking about some things that happen within the country of Jamaica. I talk about some things in her point of view what go on within the country of Jamaica. You see me? I say, yeah, that's what I think. You see it? So while I listen to the things that this female said and tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers, alright? And some of the scenes in this video also might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe with me.
Yo, I'm convinced, brother. I'm convinced in my soul. Say no farmer love no day in Jamaica. Me even a contemplate say no farmer love ever did exist in a blood clot Jamaica. The little one love where Bob Marley did a push, that dead with him. From me a little girl up till now as a big woman, me still a hear about the same things. You don't want to force rape the little boy them and the little girl them. You don't promote and protect pedophilia. You don't turn a blind eye to family ram.
Family ram.
And you love to victimize and put the blame on the person that was molested or done harm to. You love to put blame on the victim because you don't want your favorite person, your friend or family member, you love one parent drink with. You don't want to tell them say them wrong. You don't want to arrest them and lock them up. Why? Because you love blood clot likes.
That's why they wrong there.
You don't want to be cool. You don't want to promote a culture that literally tells a grown man that it is okay for him to deal with a little girl. A little boy. I don't care when nobody wants to say. The pedophilia, the family ram, the forced rape, all of them something they have to stop. I don't care what church people want to say because we're not the main ones them we turn a blind eye when them things they are going. Talk about say God and now go give him warriors them more than when the God now nothing in a God in a that. God is about love. And nothing in a God in a that. So I don't know which God on blood clot praise because me tell you no. Love no day in a that blood clot.
She seems
you can't convince me and tell me say love no day in that. You don't need to stop victimizing me.
She look like she really upset.
Yo, Jamaica, we need to change, brother. Yo, it have to stop it. It have to stop.
Mm.
It have to
A female they touch some solid point, my people. Some real solid points she touch. On a real, she touch some real solid points. You see? Yeah. For example, the pedophile part that you talk about. You see me? I say the pedophile part. You see me? Because I remember one day I met a married couple and their son. See? Now, the husband is said to be 67-year-old. The wife is said to be either 54, 55 or 53-year-old. I don't quite remember. But the son is said to be 38-year-old. See me? So, look at them age differences, the viewers and subscribers. You see me? I say, look at that age difference. You get what I say to you? See? So, this is something we know for some time now. So, back in the days, a lot of underage pregnancy happen. You understand? See? So, this female really and truly touch some, or she point out some real good points. And you see the whole thing about no love within the country of Jamaica, as she somewhat mentioned and so forth. Well, I understand how she might feel, but and I realize I still think that there are love within the country of Jamaica. You know, I still think that you have genuine people who genuinely love each other within the country of Jamaica. Same way, you see? Yeah, you have a lot of people who act certain ways that will give you the idea that no love in Jamaica. I understand that, but I still think that there are genuine love within the country of Jamaica. Same way. You see? Anyway, the Jamaica people, big up on yourself. Big up each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.